Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on this beautiful evening. We're out here with the RAV4. As you can see, lake in the background with some stormy clouds coming in. Not sure if it's gonna rain, but I packed a rain jacket just in case. Really though, the temperature and the weather is perfect. It's a nice overcast day, not too windy. So we'll head over to the fishing spot. Hopefully it's not too muddy, because as you might have seen in the last video, we got a lot of rain. There's one spot that we do have to pass through, which is a bit of a mud hole, but we'll see what it's looking like today. Actually, this isn't the way I want to go right here, so I'm gonna have to turn around because I don't want to have to risk going through that. Because I'm trying to go spend some time by the lake, not dig myself out of a mud hole. Right here is where we want to be. I'm also hoping that despite the storm and the moisture we've had, there's not too many bugs out here. Well, here's the spot I was a little worried about. But it really doesn't look like it's going to be much of a problem for the RAV4 here. Just a couple days ago when we were here, this was all entirely soaking wet mud. But thankfully enough, most of the ground has dried out considerably. Now we could have gone here on this little section, but I decided why not try for the big boy right here. We made it through, thankfully enough, with zero issue. Hopping back in the RAV4, and we'll continue driving further. See, I really love the RAV4 for its ability to get me out to these spots. Places I wouldn't be able to go in an average car. Well, I must say out here is super nice. Bugs aren't too bad out here compared to what they are some days. So now that we got out here with the RAV4, there's a chance I'll be moving to the other side of the lake, depending how this spot goes, but we'll see about that. Just a couple dark clouds in the distance, but it's about perfect for what I'm here for today. Now this guy right here is called a spinnerbait. Let's give it a go. Got a little bit of rain in the distance, as you can see over there. We'll see if it rolls in. I think soon here I'll be packing up and we'll be adventuring over in the RAV4 to the other end of the lake. The RAV4 is actually really impressive in the mud right now for just having street tires on. I just had to pull over on the side of the road because I wanted to get some shots of this. Here we are over at the other end of the lake, so we officially made it over. No storms rolled in on us yet. What makes driving through puddles so fun? Now we made it to the other end, but as you guys can tell, the wind's picked up and the water's starting to look mean. I think I might have just got a bite on the fishy. I just want to catch one fish to show you guys before this storm rolls in, and then I'll be happy and it'll be a successful adventure. This rainstorm is starting to come in really close. Our first fish on. We got ourselves a northern pike. Just a little guy. Now it's just starting to rain and we got our fish for today. I'm gonna give him a nice release now, just as it's starting to rain. Perfect timing. Catch the first fish of the year, a nice healthy little northern pike. I'm gonna pack my bags, hop in the RAV4, and we're gonna get out of here. Just as I was starting to think we might not catch anything, that little guy saved the day. This isn't a fishing channel, so I hope you didn't mind incorporating that little bit into this adventure. RAV4 was the right ride for today's trip. Feel free to leave a comment and I'll respond to all that I can. Safe driving, everybody. Subscribe to stick around for more.